I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy ShawnBNice, back again with some more heat rock. And today, I feel like I should show y'all. So y'all see this? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to unbox some stuff. Yeah, I'm happy. I've been getting some new stuff pretty much to kind of get my little work area set up. So about a couple of things, man, to try to help me just kind of get, it's easier for me to work with these items. Let's see what it is. Y'all probably gonna think I'm corny for what it is, but whatever. I'm excited. So I figure might as well share it with y'all. So let's get to it. All right, so first things first. I got this because, like I stated on my Lenovo, full review, that it's just the I/O on it. It doesn't have enough ports, right? And I needed it because I bought a couple of extra accessories to kind of go with my Lenovo, so I needed this joint. So what this is, the Type-C hub, and it got a couple of other, it's pretty much an adapter for you to add other accessories to it, right? So you even add up to a 4K display. So, but just to kind of show you what it got, the ports that we got is a full USB-C port. If I remember correctly, it is Lightning. You got 4K display. You can hook up a 4K display at 30 hertz refresh rate. You got two USB 3.0 ports, standard SD card slot, and a micro SD card slot. And if I remember correct, I already said HDMI report. So let's check it out. Now, I make sure I link this down in the description below just for those who have any other laptops that has a USB-C port and just kind of need to freshen it up. I got y'all. Make sure I link it down in the description below. So boom, here it is. Didn't need the unboxing knife for that. But this thing here was about 46 bucks. So far, build wise, I'm not mad at it. It looks pretty premium. I'll turn the flash on so you guys can see it better. But yeah, I like it. It looks pretty premium. Definitely gonna plug this up and I'll show you how I look with the Lenovo Yoga 720. Here's the USB-C little thing here. All right, so that's the first box. We got another one. Well, we got two more. 1.5. And I'll show you what I mean, 1.5. All right, y'all. So here's my new baby. One of my new toys, one of my new little joints I needed to grab. It's so hard editing these videos on one screen, especially at my desk at work. I have two monitors where I have a laptop and I have an actual monitor. And it's easier to have two displays going. In the future, obviously, I might get another one of these, to kind of spice it up a little bit. But, right now, this is going to do the good job. All right. So, kind of hit y'all up with the specs for it. It is a 22-inch Samsung S350 LED monitor, right? It definitely has a game mode. Response time is around 5 milliseconds. Has a wide viewing angle, static contrast ratio of 1001. Ultra slim design, eye-saver mode. What else we got? Wide viewing angles, eco-friendly monitor. It is got one HDMI port, 16.7 million color support. So I'm trying to get y'all all the specs, so we're gonna get them out of the way now. So 16:9 ratio, all the stuff that y'all, well, at least the stuff y'all care about. Is it wall mountable? Yes. Does it have a stand? Yes. Flicker free? Yes. All that good stuff, man. All right, I'm tired of the spec shit. Let's go ahead and open it up. On deck, okay? Stay with it. Did y'all see the handoff though? My head I be shaking people for real. Again, unboxing knife, come through one time for the one time. Oh man, I gotta build some shit. Okay, So more than likely, I'll just show you everything that comes in the box. And make sure I link it down in the description below too, man. It is only a 1080p monitor. Even though most of my footage I'm recording is in 4K, but I'm like, fam, I ain't got the bread like that right now. So just to start off, this will do just fine. Now, normally I tell y'all shit we don't read, but, we're going to keep that. Keep everything. I ain't throwing nothing away today. More shit we need to read. Trust me, after I unbox them Treb Lab X2s, I learned my lesson. Some things you do need to read, if it's foreign to you at least. Let's get that out the way. Oh, okay, something fell. And was this, I'm assuming this is the power cable, more than likely, right? And let's get to the joint here. Oh, this thing is ultra light, fam. Ultra light. Picking this joint up with one hand. I'm saying trying to take the paper off and got you guys to wait. Let me move the box out the way at the very least. Again, I didn't need something too huge as of right now anyway. So this will do the job. I know y'all dude, that monitor is small as hell, but again, coming from a 15-inch laptop, this is a 22-inch, plus I got two of them now. Well, I had that in that, whatever, but y'all know what I mean. Got the Samsung branding. There we go. Minimum bezels. Now, for those who are in the PC world, is that true? I mean, to me, these bezels look thick as hell. But I tell y'all what, let me at least set it up so I can show you how the display looks with the actual, you feel me, actually hooked everything up. Oh, I almost forgot. Got one more thing. Well, the 1.5 unboxing. Let me show you that real quick. All right, so here's why I said 1.5. It's because I already opened it up. I did an unboxing video for it. I didn't post it yet because I was messing some shit up and I was just like, I probably don't want to post that video. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. If you guys really want to see that video about me not getting this thing to work, let me know. Smash the thumbs up button and I'll release it. I do have it. But yeah. So once y'all see everything hooked up, then we're going to go from there. We're going to see how your boy rocking with it. Now, a real PC person who like got their whole setup going, they probably might do. They'll set up as trash. But for a dude who just really starting out with this, man, my setup is great. So let's check it out. All right, y'all. So here's where I kind of messed up. I don't want to admit it, but whatever. So, the ports are in here. I mean, I got everything hooked up, my mouse, my keyboard, and I also have a lightning port, still for like either my Note 8 or my SA Plus. But the problem is my power button is on the same side where this plugs in at. So just so I can show you guys for a point of reference, and you guys can see the power button, right? And then there's another USB drive. But the problem is now when I put this in, I have to be very, very careful so I don't accidentally bump the power button. And then it's connecting. You guys can see the blue light. And just to show you guys, it lights up on the inside to let you know that everything is functioning well. Now, hopefully I didn't turn off my laptop. So let's go back. Prime example, I hit it and it turned the laptop off. Okay, but this is how I look with it. It won't be completely flush. So to turn it back on, all I gotta do is hit the power. All I gotta do is hit this now to turn it back on. Am I a fan of that? No, but this I'm pointing this out to you guys just in case you just have to purchase this product. Hopefully your power button is on the same side as mine. All right, y'all. So here it goes. This is again, I know this is not like your typical YouTuber setup, but I work within a budget. You know what I'm saying? I work with what I got. Okay. So, but everything still works perfectly fine. I obviously got to set it up so I had dual monitors. So when I, drag stuff over or something like that, it's just not copying the same thing. But here is a monitor. To me, it looks very good, very crisp. Again, this is a 1080p monitor. Even though my laptop is actually 4K, but honestly, this still looks really, really good. I'm not complaining about the quality at all. Actually, I'm a little bit more impressed than I thought it was going to be initially. Here's the keyboard. This is my first RGB keyboard. Now, this is a Corsair K55 RGB. It got different color modes. It got pause and play buttons. I mean, this is a gaming keyboard, but I'm like, I want something with some color in it without spending a whole bunch of money, like i.e. the Razer, which is $100. I'm not spending $100 on a keyboard, fam. It's not happening. So, would I recommend this keyboard? Yes, since I've been using it, I have the keys are clicky. I mean, keys are still clicky. Had no problem with that. And, if I hated that bad, I could just take it back. I'll stay within my warranty period, what a return process period. But, let me know if you guys actually recommend a better keyboard, maybe for a cheaper price. Let me know. I am very, for the most part, new to this whole thing. In the future, I'll be building my own PC rigs and all that. But for right now, I'm very happy with this little setup I got going. I definitely needed something bigger just to edit my videos on. So I'm really looking forward to that. So yeah, man, that's it for the video, man. We ran into a couple of snags. Well, as you guys see, I did with the whole, with the port being on the side where I can't hit the power button anymore. Don't know how I feel about that, but I gotta work with what I got. You know what I mean? Maybe I'll consider getting an adapter, getting an extension, like a longer cord, bringing that out or something like that, or I just have to buy another one. I'll probably just return and get another one actually with a cord. Don't know why I didn't think of it in the first place, seeing how I got a power button on that side. Common sense should have told me, or, dumbass, just turn it around. Duh. Okay, so it helped. No, it didn't help out that much. I mean, it helped out a little, I guess. But as you guys can see, I'm still hitting that power button. So that really does me no good. So yeah, I still got to get a different one. But yeah, man, I'm trying. Okay, y'all, that's the main thing. I'm trying to make each and every video better, and anything that can make me more productive while doing that, to keep giving y'all quality content, I'm always for it. You feel me? So thank y'all. As y'all can see, it's going crazy over there. Thank y'all so much for supporting my videos, man. Help this video get at least 50 likes. I don't feel like that's too much to ask. With the quality I give y'all, man. Help your boy. Y'all definitely help my channel out. It's your boy ShawnBNice. Oh, excuse the roughness. And happy Black History Month. I forgot. It's your boy ShawnBNice, man. I'm out.